Hello creators, in this After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to create this cinematic lava logo reveal. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this logo reveal. Let's add the logo to the timeline, scale logo, and pre-compose it. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. Add the reflection media to the timeline. Add Turbulent Displace. Set Displacement to Turbulent Smoother. Set Amount to 100. Set Size to 50. Add CC Blobalize. In Blobbiness, set Blob Layer to Logo. Set Property to Alpha. Set Softness to 5. Set Cutaway to 40. Add CC Glass. In Surface, set Bump Map to Logo. Set Softness to 1. Set Displacement to 0. For Reflection Media, change Mode to Soft Light. Add Logo Composition to the timeline. Set Opacity Keyframe. At 1 second, create Keyframe. At Start, set it to 0. Now place it at 3 seconds. Select all layers, pre-compose it, name it as Glossy Logo. Create a new solid layer. Make sure color is set to white. Add CC Burn Film to Solid. At 3 second, create Keyframe for Burn. At Start, set it to 70. Set Random Seed to 5. Add Solid Composite. Set Color to Black. Create another solid layer. Add Fractal Noise. In Transform, set Scale to 200. For Solid Layer, set Opacity to 20%. Change Mode to Overlay. Add Logo Composition to the timeline. Add Fill. Set Fill Color to White. Add Gaussian Blur. Set Blurriness to 40. Select Repeat Edge Pixels. For Logo, change Mode to Overlay. Now create a new adjustment layer. Add Brightness and Contrast. Set Contrast to 100. Select Use Legacy. Select Solids, Logo and Adjustment Layer, pre-compose it, name it Noise Logo. Hide the Noise Logo. Add Logo Composition to the timeline. Add Fill. Set Fill Color to White. Hide it. Create New Solid Layer. Add Calculation. Set Second Layer to Logo. Source to Effects and Mask. Set Opacity to 100%. Set Blending Mode to Copy. Again, add Calculation. Set Second Layer to Noise Logo. Set Opacity to 100%. Set Blending Mode to Stencil Luma. Select Solid, Logo and Noise Layer, pre-compose it. Name it Noise Reveal. For Glossy Logo, change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Noise Reveal. Perfect. Add Noise Logo Composition to the timeline. Add Invert. Add Fastbox Blur. Set Blur Radius to 30. Select Repeat Edge Pixels. Add Colorama. In Output Cycle, set Preset to Fire. Set Blend with Original to 30%. Add Unsharp Mask. Set Amount to 100. Now create Opacity Keyframe. At 2 second, create Keyframe. At 3 second, set Opacity to 0%. Select Track Matte. Change Mode to Color. Create Duplicate of Noise Logo. Change Mode to Add. Select All, pre-compose it. Name it Glossy Fire. Add Logo Composition to timeline. Add Noise Logo Composition. For Logo, change Track Matte to Luma Matte Noise Logo. For Noise Logo, add Invert. Add Turbulent Displace. Set Amount to 200. Set Size to 20. Add CC Composite. Change Composite to Multiply. Add Fractal Noise. Set Contrast to 200. In subsetting, set sub-influence to 100%. Set blending mode to multiply. Add set matte. Change take matte layer to logo. Create new adjustment layer. Add colorama. In output cycle, set preset to fire. Set blend with original to 30%. Add unsharp mask. Set amount to 100. Select adjustment, noise, and logo. Pre-compose them. Name it as Fire Edge. Change mode to add. Add glow. Set glow radius to 300. Set intensity to 2. Change both composition to 3D. Create new camera. Create null object. Change it to 3D. Parent camera to null. Let's create position keyframe. At 2-second create keyframe. At start, increase Z position value as shown. Select keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the speed graph as shown. Now create start and end keyframe for camera and adjust the Z position. Perfect. Now let's see the complete preview. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. This is how you can create cinematic lava logo reveal in After Effects. This complete After Effects template is available on my web store. Check out the link in the description.